feel just like a sailor, bro. Like you do. Like I have a boat like that, dude. Popped on a piece of rebar, but I felt like a piece of shit, not a fucking sailor, dude. Your boat's been in the sun too long, dude. You don't even have fucking 303 on that shit. And yeah, I got boats like that, so I know what fucking 303 is, dude. Huh. The girl for you, you're not gonna find in a floating raft in